Eso. ¡Oh, su puta!
¿Dónde carajo están los piques? No lo encuentro. Alguien va a morir si no parece el pote de palco. Ya buscan el carro por debajo del asiento. Cuando no me empego lento, llamo para los piques, pero no contesta el viejo. Yo no voy a meterme en esas percos que trajeron. Esas no son piques, cabrón.
Ya tú sabes, papi, estamos aquí, vamos para downtown con los diablos.
We finna go to downtown, see what's up there, bro.
We finna get some content for y'all boys, you feel me? Y'all know y'all popped out for the first video, so we gonna get right for the second video. We'll see y'all boys down there, bro.
Ay, la niña mal le dicen al
I'm gonna do the dance, cuz.
What the fuck? Do it hardest. Hey,
Hey, grábalo viejita ya.
¿Qué lo que? Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him.
In the car.
Yo no vine a hablar, tengo el cuarto ready pa' chingar. Normal, esta pendecal.
Hey, ma. Ya no vine a hablar. Los pesitos solo mi.
Normal,
Yo también
te
tengo
va a
el fuck.
pichar, tengo otra putita.
Puro pendejón. Tenemos a Prieto ahí con todo el... He got his ass out. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? Dáselo otra vez. Y'all got that, huh? Oh, THC. Yeah, some low key shit. Cause I just need papers. So y'all want Sutter?
I'm 21. You got cigars, nigga? Oh, you got black, man?
Need them honey packs.
Matter of fact, I ain't gonna count. You got Reggie?
Huh?
You didn't buy mine?
I did. Hold on. I think I stole that bitch. Hold it.
on the camera.
There's only one. Wait. I stole that.
Put this shit in your ass, dude. Look at bro. You didn't feel that bit when I went like this to your ass?
What the fuck, bro? Tiene que darle un pesito.
No tengo ni un pesito para darle.
I'm helping out the public. Yes, y'all get to work.
100. I'm sorry, we're shooting a porno.
Stop.
We can't.
Wild pigs in downtown.
Yes, get.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't want to get there. Right here?
So, do we get like something for free?
I'm my favorite right now, dude. I'm dead ass serious because I'm my favorite.
Calm down.
You got 20?
Alright, please.
Yeah.
Damn, you got money, boy. And you got chairs. That's how I know that, dude.
Some
D-Lo.
boss man D-Lo.
Yeah. Talking at Reggie.
My speakers might Alright.
100.
Come on, go with him, guys.
Oh, so you got like a new color? You added the rims to it?
I'm all in the car, but this ain't my only, like, this is my third one.
What's your favorite car?
I got a Pro Charge Camaro too. It make my
Ooh, okay. Ooh, 800.
Gee, what?
Grinding.
Hey, you got any advice for the vlog, bro? How to make money?
Look, just stay grounded, man. Stay grounded. You know, stay away from the females, man. And then keep God first. That's really it.
Amen.
100, my boy.
Amen.
Well, appreciate
100.
you. Hey,
So-
keep going, boy. Keep
So,
grinding,
all
my boy.
y'all, man.
For sure.
Be safe out here, boy. But everybody's starting to pop out. Hard for to start interviewing. These fucking idiots are trying to fucking play die.
You got a game tomorrow?
Yeah.
You score a goal, I'll give you 100.
Score
Y'all see it right here.
So
100. 100.
Last game of the season till we go to playoffs.
Damn, that was so rude of you.
I'm sorry. Gotta make that money tomorrow. Yeah.
Me perdiste y al DM te tiré. Bébeme charcoal grey, la movie te pongo en play.
Put the camera over there, man. Put the camera.
Look though. We in Pensacola, Florida. This is Florida snowing, bro.
Yo,
Look at it.
we're in Pensacola.
That's
Like,
inside.
look at that.
We got
You know what I'm saying?
We gonna see what happens.
Oh!
Wait, tú sabes, diablo, vamos a ir. Chill out.
Diablo! Oh! Oh, this nigga died! Where Hector going?
Go!
Yo, I got this stroll. There's hella snow in my ass and everywhere.
Cause I'm not gonna lie, it's cold as hell, y'all. Like, this shit crazy.
All up in my socks, too.
For real?
Dude, I don't feel my neck.
Put your jacket all the way on. You have 2 hoodies for a reason.
I should have brought 2, ain't it?
The thing is, bro, when we record,
cold as
the
fuck.
camera gets wet, so I should have
see,
brought my
give me
GoPro. I'm gonna go play right now. You saw it. Not cold. Hey, my little sis in this bit. What's up? Puta loco, hasta
Que feo, maje, que feo. I can't see.
We're gonna go back. Come on, yeah, come on.
I like the fuck your shit. But I'm going up the fucking wrong way. I can't go up! Fuck his fucking handle, bro. Hey, we're going down there, you feel me? We'll see how when we down there. Pick it up, go! Oh my god!
Oh shit! Hey, I'm dizzy as fuck.
Fucking hell, man.
Hey, let me open the fucking car! It's open, bitch! Never fuck! Yo, this shit hurts! Ah! Everyone! This nigga running to the car.
Hey, these Florida ain't worth for shit in the snow. Oh, ah!
I just tore my ACL, bitch.
We out. Come on, vlog. We out.
Where's the gray one?
It's too fucking snow. It's for me and him.
Okay, just hit the black button up here, the green button. Yep. You're
Alright.
good to go.
La casa de los Gators, tú ya sabes, pap.
Last year I was there, guys. Last year.
You know, guess who else was here last year? Everg's. I was here, bro.
Everg's.
My grades were too bad, so I couldn't play. Este maje anda activado hoy, no joda.
So
He's some shit.
last year we beat them and we had a worse team, bro. It was just me and Jackson and we beat them.
Se la gana.
Look, como la pura Honduras.
Enséñame, papi, enséñame. Mira, se más.
Stop saying his parents are right there.
Presionada, maje.
Puta, ese Héctor no corre ni pija.
Mira.
¡Ey!
Oh my gosh, you're so gang. You're so gangster.
Bitch, what the fuck y'all want?
What up?
Yeah, what's up? What's say what up to the vlog?
Oh my god, add me on Instagram. I'll see you in there, boy. Don't
Hey, watch out.
We're right here, but yo, we finna see the new tat you got. Look. What time is it?
Yeah.
I like Rihanna.
Where? That big ass. I swear to God, bro, you're a YNS. Let me see that tat.
Good for you. You wasn't happy in it.
He big as fuck, Chad. He big as fuck.
Works.
Going out like this so it did pick his
Hold on. I can do.
A ver. Eso, mira la barriga.
Come on, bro. Hey, Rod, fuck, I swear to God.
Really?
Y'all skinny ain't work for shit.
Okay, bye. I'm scared. You gotta come by from Oh my god. Fucking no.
You have to do it, but don't yell. Don't yell. You can't yell. But hold on, I'm about to turn the lights on. Hey, don't yell. Oh my god, he's dumb. Here. Take not in the house. Don't get in the house. Take your clothes off. Take your clothes off. Take your clothes off.
¿Dónde carajo están las piques y no la encuentro? Alguien va a morir si no parece el pote de palco. Ya buscan el carro por debajo.